In the long-lost past, about 6 centuries before the Cataclysm, a mighty battle between Istar and a necromancer had occurred. Greetings and welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you doing today? So in this video, we are going to talk about the War of Bone. Now, the War of Bones was a war between the undead forces of the black-robed mage Salius Reuven and the city of Istar, along with the Knights of Solamnia. Now, for years, the mage Salius Reuven had secretly created an army of undead, keeping them in caverns under the Kalkis Mountains. After years of preparation, Salius finally began his attacks against Istar. He defeated and scattered the imperial legions of the empire and each time raised the dead to add to his armies. The undead army grew larger and larger as the war went on, and by the time he marched on the city of Istar, there was no stopping him. Salius set his forces and laid siege to the city, and during this time, the Emperor of Istar, Lannis the Blind, sent the first son of Paladin, Eldan, to ask for assistance from the wizards of the Tower of High Sorcery in Istar, and they refused, stating that they will not go to war against one of their own. Eldan returned 3 more times and they refused each time. Eventually, the Emperor sent out a request for help from Solamnia and Palanthas. The knights came to their aid, and with the assistance of clerics of Paladin, they managed to defeat Salius and his legions. After the battle was concluded, many of the Istarians wanted to go to war against the Tower of High Sorcery in the city for not aiding them against the hordes of the undead. But the Empire was too weak to start another war, so Eldan piled the bodies of the undead forces in front of the tower, warning them if they will betray Istar again, they will be the ones with their bodies piled outside. This incident also solidified the people's resentment and distrust of mages, and helped the Empire grow their relationship with the clerics of Paladin and Solamnia, thus eventually pushing them towards the king priest and everything that came afterwards. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.